Today we're creating an acid glow effect in After Effects. Create a new composition. Create a text layer. Make a simple animation for the text. Apply Easy Ease. Pre-compose the text layer and name it Text Comp. Duplicate Text Comp 3 times so we end up with 4 compositions. Create a black solid and name it BG. Add the Fastbox blur effect to the first text composition with the following settings. Then add fractal noise to the second text composition with these parameters. Add an evolution expression. Next, apply the Light Burst 2.5 effect with the specified settings. After that, add the curves effect and adjust it as shown on screen. Go back to the first layer. Copy the Fastbox blur effect and paste it onto the third layer. Now move to the fourth layer and apply CC radial blur with the given parameters. Do you want to elevate your video editing game? Find all you need on Easy Edit Stock. Templates, text effects, presets. Discover a world of versatile assets for your next video. Create an adjustment layer and apply Colorama. Remove unnecessary points and adjust the colors. Then create another adjustment layer. Add the glow effect with these settings. After that, apply Gaussian blur, then unsharp mask with the specified parameters. Add noise, and finally apply posterized time with the given settings.